All right, eighth grade math. This is lesson 27, finding the mean, median, and mode. All right, lesson 27, finding the mean, median, and mode. We have some vocabulary. Mean is the average of a set of numbers. Median is the middle number of a set of numbers. Mode is the number in a set of data which appears most often. It says Amori wants to get part-time work as a cashier. This is what 5 different local stores pay per hour. $5.50, $5.25, $6.20, $5.75, $6.20. Amir decided to find the mean, median, and mode of the data to get some idea of what she can expect as a typical rate. It says the mean is the average of a set of numbers. It is found by adding all the data and dividing by the number of items. So to find the mean, you add all of your data together and then divide by 5 because that's how many numbers you added together. So when you add those numbers together, you get 28.95. You divide by 5. So your average rate is $5.78. Now, the median is the number in the middle. Half of the numbers are greater than the median and half of are less than the median. To find the median, you need to arrange the numbers in order, then find the middle. So you put them in order from smallest to largest. And when you do that, I like to walk myself in. So I did it on the high and low, then the next step, and you end up at 5.75 or $5.75. That is the number in the middle. Now, if the number of numbers is even, the median is the average of the two middle numbers. And I'll go through that a little bit in a little bit. It says the mode is the number that appears most often. Here, $6.20 appears twice, so the mode is $6.20. It says suppose Amiri is offered a cashier's job that pays $5.35. Since that amount is less than the mean, the median, and the mode, Amiri knows she could probably do better than that somewhere else. Now, here are Nazir's point scores in 10 basketball games. Now, first one says to find the mean. In order to do that, we have to add up all of these numbers and then divide by 10. When you are doing this and you're finding the mean and you add a big long list of numbers to add up, I like to do it at least twice, adding them up twice. If I get the same number twice, I think I'm good to go. If I get a different number each time, I better do it a third time until I get 2 of the same answers. So if you were to add up all of those numbers, you would end up with 278 points. And then you divide by 10, you end up with 27 and 8/10 or 27.8 points. Make sure you got that information copied down before going on to the next page. Now, when you are finding the median, you have to put your numbers in order from smallest to largest. So if I was to look back at the previous page, my first number is 19, then it goes to 20, 21, 28, 29. Now, 29 is listed 3 times, and I have to write down all 3 times. And then we have 34 twice, and then we have 35. Now, if I was to walk myself in from the highest or to the middle, if I cross out my high and my low, and then just keep working my way in, I end up with 29 and 29. I end up with 2 numbers in the middle. So what I have to do is add those 2 numbers together. So I would take 29 plus 29, and I would get 58, and then I divide by 2, and I end up with 29. So my median is 29. Now, your mode is the number that occurs most often. I have 29, 29, and 29. I have 34 and 34. Those numbers are repeated, but this one is 3 times where this one is twice. So my mode is 29. Now, if they both occurred 3 times, I would have what we call bimodal, and I'd have to write down what both of those modes are. And I'll tell you this, in this lesson, you don't have any bimodals or trimodals, anything like that. So what you are going to do on problems 2, 3, 4, and 5, you are going to find the mean, the median, and the mode for each problem. You might need to look back at the front page or at the example to remember how you need to do this. You have to add your numbers, divide by your number of numbers to find your mean. You need to put them in order from smallest to largest and find the middle to get your median. And the number that occurs most often is the mode. So make sure you get problems 2, 3, 4, and 5 done. On the application, it says, suppose you have 10 numbers. The median, the mean, and the mode are all 10. Give a set of numbers for which all those statements can be true. There is more than one correct answer to this problem. Can you come up with more than one set of numbers? Hint, what do you know about the sum of the 10 numbers? So you are going to finish this assignment. Don't forget to submit to me through Canvas when done. Good luck and have fun.